talking, obviously it will not be audible. The program which I had given to you. Guys, am I audible to everyone? I'm asking a question. Okay, did you guys trace it? Do you have any doubts? Do you have any doubts, guys? Okay, fine. Let me explain. Look here. Okay, fine, I'll explain. Now look here. Okay, just give me a second. Guys, I'm not talking, man. When I'm not talking, what do you mean by not audible? Huh? So, what is the program that I gave you yesterday? That we have an array, you need to search, okay? A character array. Assume that I have a array, okay? Fine. And that array is partitioned, okay, where I have A, P, T, L, E, right? So my array is storing this data A, P, P, L, E, apple, right? Let me assume the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And let me assume the address is 0x1. Some address is there. Okay, fine. Understand carefully, I'm explaining. Let me assume the address of this array object is 0x1. Fine. So where are we storing this? Obviously, you will be storing the address inside some variable. Let me say the name of the variable is A. And inside the variable, you are storing the address 0x1. Perfect. Okay. This is my array. Okay, till here, no problem to anyone, right? Yeah, till here, no one has any problem here. Okay, good. Just a second. Yeah, let me, yes. Done? Visible to everyone? Is it visible to everyone? Okay, good. Perfect. Now, what does the question says? What does the question say, guys? Read a character from the user and check if it is present in the array. Read a character from the user and check if it is present in the array. And now, got it? Check whether it is present or not. Display found if present, display not found if not present. So basically, it is a search operation. What is that I need to do? I am supposed to do a search operation. Do you understand? So whenever I want to do search operation, first thing is I need to have a variable which will store the data to be searched. I need to have a variable where the data to be searched is stored, right? Got it? So I will take a variable. I will take a variable. Okay. I will call this variable as key variable. I'll call this variable as key variable. Inside this variable, I will read the data from the user. So user will enter the data. User will provide the data. That data you are storing inside the variable key. Got it? Yeah. The data I am storing inside a variable called as key. Got it? Now let me assume the user says he will, with the help of a keyboard, he will type P. He will type P. Got it? So what is there inside the variable key? I have data P. What is there inside the variable key? P is stored. Till you're understood? Okay. Now tell me guys, what should I do? You tell me, what should I do now? I need to search. Yes, I need to compare the data present data present inside the array with each and this key equal to the first element of the array. Is key equal to the third element of the array? Is key equal to the fourth element of the array? I need to search, right? Do you agree that? Everyone? Yes. So every time I need to search, yes, I need to compare the data present inside the variable key with each and condition inside the array. Do you agree? Guys, are you able to hear me or not? I think it's better I will cancel the class. If you guys continuously saying voice lacking, voice not audible, every day instead of focusing on the class, I just have to like troubleshoot you guys. Do one thing. Students who are not able to hear, no, you just log out. Students who are able to hear me, they can continue. Okay. Please don't message me, sir. Voice breaking. I don't know what to do. Got it? Because everything is fixed from my side. I will show you my internet. I'll check my internet also. Wait, let me check my internet also. So my internet is fine. Everything is fine. On top of that, I'm screaming here. If you still say you're not audible, I don't know what should I do. I'm really sorry for that. Done. My mic is also working perfectly. There's no issue with my mic also. Got it? So if my mic is having issue, I'm really sorry. You can just log out, okay? Because I have fixed everything. I don't have any issue from my end. Okay. Anyways, let me come back here. So when a user enters the data, that data will be stored inside the variable called as key. Okay. So now what is that I need to do? I need to check whether the particular variable is present or not. I need to check whether the variable, the data is present or not. How do I do that? Very simple. So I need to compare the data present inside the variable key. Okay. The data present inside the variable key. Right? So the data present inside the variable key. I need to compare this data. I need to compare this data with the data present inside the array. Data present inside the array. So how do you compare? How do you access data present inside the array? Obviously, array address followed by index. Easy. So now tell me, guys, neatly tell me what is their inside key? What is their inside key? Okay, wait. Let us trace this neatly. I will rewrite everything. Let us have some place. Give me a second. I will make a proper arrangement so that all of us can trace it multiple times. Okay. So, yeah, let us trace this multiple times. Yeah, fine. Now I think we can trace it neatly. Come on. Come on. Okay, now look here. So, first tell me what is that I need to do? I will check. I will check if, come on, tell me if key key is equal to a of 0, a of 0. Do you agree? Yeah. So what is there inside key? P equals to what? A of 0. What is a of 0? What is there inside a of 0? A. So now tell me, P equals to A. Is this true or false? When it is false, what should I do? You tell me, when it is false, what should I do? Should I get disappointed? Should I get disappointed and stop my searching? No, you should not get disappointed. Instead, you should move forward. Instead, what you should do? You should move forward, right? You should compare. Come on, tell me. I should compare. I should compare the key with the next element. How do I compare the key with the next element? I just say A of 1. So initially it was 0. Now the next element means 1. Do you agree? Yes. So now tell me, guys, now tell me here, let us substitute. What is there inside key? What is there inside key? P. Okay. Equality. What is there inside A of 5? Come on, tell me, what is there inside A of 1? A of 1, right? What is there inside A of 1? We have P. So now tell me, is P equal to P? Is this true or false? Is this true or false? It is true. Are you understanding? Yes, it is true. Perfect. So now tell me, when it is true, when it is true, what should I do? Should I continue, guys? Come on, tell me, should I continue? I should stop. I should stop and I should print it as found. Do you agree? I should stop and I should print it as found. Do you agree? Understood? Any confusions here? Any confusions here? So, okay, very good. When it is false, what should I do? When it is false, what should I do? Should I say it is not found or should I say it is not found? If it is false, should I say it is not found or should I say it is found? Should I say it is not found or should I move to the next one? I should move to the next one. No, sir, I will not move to the next one, sir. I will say, I will come to a conclusion. I did not find it. Will you come to a conclusion that you did not find it? Will you come to a conclusion that it did not find it? Yes. So now tell me the algorithm now. Tell me the algorithm if you understood. What is the search algorithm? Come on, tell me, guys. How do I do this? You need to compare. Yes, come on, tell me. You need to compare. What is that compare? Key. You need to compare key. When the condition is true, there are how many possibilities over here? There are two possibilities. How many possibilities we have here? You have two possibilities. What are those two possibilities we have? One is true, the other one is false. One is true, the other one is false. Do you agree? Yes. When the condition is true, what do you mean by that? If the condition is true, what do you mean by that? Yes, key is found. Key is found. Very good. Should I move forward? Should I move forward? Should I compare with the next data? Is it necessary for me to compare with the next data? No. After finding, why should I search again? It is not required. So, what I should do? I should stop. I should stop. Key is found, and later you will for this question, Sarvesh, for this question, tell me, should I stop or should I move forward? I should stop. Easy. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Okay. Good. Very good. Next. Sir, what if it is false? What if it is false? If it is false, will you say key is not found? Will you say key is not found? Will you say key is not found? Yes, see, most of you are saying yes. So I will use your common sense, man. Use your common sense, okay? So first time you are comparing, I got false. Will I print a message? Should I print a message? Key is not found. Should I print a message? No, because you still have so many data. They first search completely and then tell whether found or not found. Got it? Are you understanding? Yes, not immediately. So here I should not do this. If I get false, I should move forward. I should move forward. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Perfect. I will move forward. So for this now, can I write a program? Sir, for this much, can I write a program? Yes, you can easily write a program for this much. Okay. For this much, I can easily write a program. How do I write a program for this much? It is so simple. Come on, you tell me, how do I write a program for this? I will just say, come on, tell me, guys. Yes, I should use a loop for, wait, just a second. I will turn off auto correction. Yeah, come on, tell me, for int I equal to 0, right? I equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus, right? Do you agree? Yeah, perfect. Okay, let me increase the font. Let me increase the font, don't worry. Okay, visible? Okay. Now come on, tell me what is that I need to do? I need to check if the key is equal to the data present inside the array. If the condition is true, what should I do? If the condition is true, what should I do? I will say system dot out dot println, and I will say found. Can I say found here? Yes. And later what I need to do? I need to understood till if the condition is false, what will happen? If the condition is false, what will happen? It will move forward. If the condition is false, what will happen? It will move forward. Are you understanding? Yes, it will move forward. I will get incremented, it will move forward. Are you understanding? Any confusions? Sure. But now the question is, sir, when do you say it is not found? So when do you say it is not found? How can I say it is not found? Now observe. Observe this carefully now, everyone. I will take another scenario now. I want everyone to focus here. Okay. I want everyone to focus now. Let me take data as X. Key to be searched as X. Okay. Done? Search for X. Okay. Now, I need to search whether X is present in the array. I want to search whether X is present in the array. Okay. So, how do I do this? How do I do this? Very simple. Very simple. So, same thing. Come on, tell me. If key equals to A of 0. Got it? What is key? Come on, everyone substitute. What is key? X. What is A of 0? A. A of 0 is A. Now tell me, true or false? Is this true or false? False. So when it is false, will you print? If it is false, will you print not found? Will you print it as not found? No, you will not print it as not found. Instead, you will go to the next one. I becomes 1. Do you agree? You will go to the next one, right? So when it is false, I plus plus, I go to the next one. Good, very good. So now again I will do it. If key equals to A of 1. A of 1. Now what is there inside key? X. Equal to what? A of 1. What is inside A of 1? Tell me. What is inside A of 1? We have P. Now tell me, is X equal to P? X equal to P? False. So if it is false, what I will do? I plus plus. I will move to the next one. I'll move to the next one. Got it? Yes. So now tell me, what should I do here? Yes. So now substitute. X is equal to, I have P, right? So now tell me it is false again. So since false again I will say I plus plus. So I'll move to the next iteration. Again I will repeat, if key equals to A of 3. Key equals to A of 3. Are you understanding? Yes. So here X is equal to, what is A of 3? L. So is X equal to L? False. Very bad. So I will again move on. I plus plus. I will again move on. I plus plus. Now again I will repeat. If, come on, if key equals to A of 4. A of what? 4. Very good. So let us substitute. X is equal to, what is A of 4? A of 4 is E. Now tell me, is X equal to E? Is X equal to E? No, it is false. It is false. So I will again say I plus plus. So what does I become now? I becomes 5. I becomes 5. Do you have fifth index over here? Do you have fifth index here? No, I don't have fifth index. That means I don't have any more data. I don't have any more data. Now I should say not found. Now I should say not found. Do you agree that? Did you understand? So that is what I said yesterday. You should not put the message not found inside the loop. The message not found should be outside the loop, not inside the loop. Already this till now, what am I explaining? You should not use if else over here. Understood, guys? You're not supposed to use if else over here. Got it? Because when should I say not found? I should say not found only after I complete comparing with each and every data. Okay? So come out of the loop and then come out of the loop and then say it is not found. Are you understanding now? Yes. But now the problem is, sir, I will write a program, sir. After that, I will come out of the loop, sir. After coming out of the loop, sir, I will say system dot out dot println not found. System dot out dot println not found. If I write like this, what will happen? If I write like this, what will happen? Every time not found message will be printed. Are you understanding? So let me do this program now. Let me do this program. Everyone observe this carefully. Observe this carefully. Let me do this, okay? Import java dot util dot scanner. Okay. Let me say class A1 or something. And let me say here public static void main string args. Okay. So let us do this program neatly. Okay. So let me say here I have a character array. I have a character array A equals to A comma E. Okay, I have a character array. Got it? Yes, perfect. I have a character array. Next, what is that I need to do? I should read the character from the user. So character key equal to s dot next. S dot next dot char at 0. Char at 0. So I need a scanner class. So let me create a scanner class. Scanner yes equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, I've created a scanner class object. Okay, perfect. Next, zero I less than a dot length. I less. Okay, now tell me inside this, what am I supposed to do? I have to check if I have to check if just a second. Yeah. If, come on, tell me what is that I need to check? If key is equal to A of I. If this condition is true, come on, tell me, guys. If this condition is true, I can say system dot out dot println, and here I will say found. Here I will say found. And then I need to stop, so I will say break. Easy? Easy till here? Any confusions? Okay, wait. End of main, end of class. Okay, done? Okay, now let me give the data. I will say yeah. What is the message I will get? See, found. Am I getting the message found? Am I getting the message found? Yes. Good. Now let me change this to P. Am I getting, okay. Am I getting the message found? Yes. See, I'm getting the message found, right? Okay. Let me say L. Let me say L. See, again, I'm getting the message found. Got it? Yeah. Perfect. Let me say E. Check program. See, I will again get found. Good. Now let me say X. Let me say X. What will happen? No output is generated. See, no output is generated. Here, it's not printing any output. Output is not there. Are you understanding? So I should print a message now. Got it? So I need to print a message. So what most of them do is, for this if, they will put else. And they will say here, system dot out dot println. And here you will say not found. If you write like this, what will happen? Every time, first time you search, you print not found. Second time you search, you print not found. Third time you search, every time you say not found, not found, not found, not found, not found. Understood this? Got it? So now tell me, when should I print not found? Should you print this message not found inside the loop? No. I should not print it inside the loop. I should print it outside the loop. I should print it outside the loop. Got it? Yes, outside the loop. But now there's another problem here. I will say system dot out dot println. I will say not found. Okay. I will say not found. Now, will you think it will work correctly? Yes, it will work correctly. See, am I getting the message not found? Am I getting the message not found? Yes, I'm getting it. But look here, what will happen if the user input is A? If the user input is A, look here. If the user input is A, I will get two messages. I will get found as well as not found. I will get found as well as not found. Got it? So now this is a time for me to take a decision. This is A. Harshang, Patil. First focus on the logic. Later I will tell you. Move on. What am I discussing? What doubt you are asking? I'm discussing logic. You're asking me why do I use carrot method? First focus on the current topic. And later you will ask me to repeat. This is how you guys behave. Focus on the current scenario. Later I will explain. Once I stop, you can ask me another doubt. When I'm explaining, you can ask me another doubt. Did you understand this problem? Okay. So now we need to take a decision. Sir, when should I print this message? When should I print this message? Okay, when should I print this message? Very simple. You should come out and take a decision. You should come out and take a decision. So there are multiple ways. There are multiple ways to do it. What are those multiple ways? First one, look here, man. Look here first. There are multiple ways to solve it. First one, using flag variable. Okay. Second one, using index variable. Third one, using extra variable count. Okay, using count variable. Okay, these are the three easy ways you can solve this problem. These are the three easy ways you can solve this problem. Understood? Any confusions here? Okay. If you are using a method, it's a different okay. But here my question is you should understand the logic. Return is not a logic. So learn the logic first. Got it? This is very important. Search algorithm, linear search algorithm. You call this as a linear search algorithm. So learn it properly, okay? Yeah. So now, how do I use a flag variable? Very simple. How do I use a flag variable is I will take one extra variable. I will take one extra variable called as a flag variable or of whatever name you want. Okay, whatever name you want, you can take it. I will say the name of the variable as found. Name of the variable as found. In the beginning, I will store false. In the beginning, I will store this as false. Okay, in the beginning, I will store it as false. Whenever I find it, whenever I find it, I will modify this to true. I will modify this to true. That's all. Easy. We replace if found equals to false. If found is equal to false. Got it? If found is equal to false, now I'll say system dot found. That's all. Understood, guys? Easy. Very, very easy method. Very, very, very easy method. Got it? I will take one extra variable called as found. Whenever the condition is true, I will modify this variable as true. I will modify this variable as true. Okay? I will come out of the loop. Once I'm out of the loop, I will check. If found is equal to false, I will print not found. This is the easiest way. Understood? Understood, everyone? Any confusions? Or now tell Boolean. What is the name of the variable? I will call it as found. I will call it as found equals to what? False. I will call this as what? False. Did you understand? Yeah. So when key equals to a of I, when key equals to a of I, wait, okay, better I will write this program in the edit plus so that it will, with proper indentation, we can do it. Wait, just a second. Give me a second. I can indentate. Okay. Yeah. I think now it's better and clear. Yes. Okay. So here I will take one variable called as Boolean found equals to false. Okay. When the condition is true, here when the condition is true, I can print it as found. And now what is that I need to do? Update. I need to update found variable. I need to update what variable? Found variable. I will say found equals to true. I'll just say found equals to true. Got it? And now I will come. Found is equal to false. If found is equal to false, now I will say not found. Is that clear, guys? Did you understand this? That's all. Very easy way. Very easy way. Very simple. No big logics used here. Okay? Perfect. There are many other ways. Don't worry. Look at this now. Let me compile this Java C. Okay. A1.java. A1.java. Java A1. Okay. Now I will say X. See, are you getting not found only one time? Over. Let me do again. Let me say A. Are you getting only found message? Is it working properly now? Yes. So I hope now you understood what is the use of flag variable. Yeah. This is your linear search algorithm. You call this as linear search algorithm. Got it? Yeah, you call this as linear search algorithm. Everyone understood this neatly? Okay. So found variable just behaves like it is just an extra variable which will help me to take a decision. Okay, it will just help me to take a decision. Initially, I'm assuming what? It is not found. I'm assuming as not found. See, false. Found equals to false means what? Not present. I'm assuming that it is not present. Got it? And now I am comparing the data with the, I'm comparing the key with the data in the array. If the condition is true, what do you mean by that? Data is found. So when data is found, what you should do? You should update. You should update. Understood? Perfect. Now I will come out here. If this is never updated, what do you mean by that? If this is never updated, what do you mean by that? Found equals to false. This becomes true. So finally, you will get the message not found. Understood, guys? Did you understand this? Yes. Perfect. And I'm telling you, this is not the only way. There are many other ways to solve it also. You can also take count variable. Okay, you can also take this variable I itself. Okay, when I is equal to length, you can also do it. There are many other logics. But if I teach you multiple logics, you will go mad. Remember this. People who have capability of digesting multiple logics, you can try it by yourself. You can try it by yourself, but this is very simple and easy. Please do remember. Got it? Yes. That's all. Now everyone have a doubt in line number 9. Okay, line number 9, focus here. This is to read a character from the user. This is how I read a character from the user. Got it? So yes dot next method gives a string. From the string, I'm extracting the first character. 0 gives the first character from the string. 0 gives the first character from the string. Okay. So when you're learning string class, string methods, you will understand. For time being, remember, this is how you read a character from the user. Okay. You don't have a method called as yes dot next char. Vivek Raja. If you are so much, you want to try it, no? Try it in a compiler, it will only slap you. You don't have a method called as next char. Hey, 10 and 17, I've already explained multiple times. I'm sorry, I will not repeat it. Others will start sleeping now. How many times I have to explain 10 and 17? This full program I'm done for that only. Okay. Others will sleep, seriously. Okay, done. Any more confusions in this? Good. To learn binary search, you should know sorting. You guys don't know sorting. So after learning sorting, you can do binary search. Okay. Perfect. Now everyone, come on, I'll give you another program. I'll give you another practice program. Please quickly do it. Okay. Yeah, I'll give you practice program. Go to, wait, just give me a second. I will add the question. Guys, come on, everyone, go to test freshers. Yeah. Okay, once you go to test freshers, quizzes, you can go to practice. Okay, you can go to practice. So in the practice, you can check. I have added another question. I have added another question. Okay. Quiz, practice paper. Wait, I have added just now. Why it is not reflecting? Oh, sorry, guys. Wait just a second. I added for different team. I didn't add it for you. Give me a minute. I will just immediately add one. Okay, I've added, guys. Now please go to the practice paper and you have a sixth question. Come on, do it. I've given you a sixth question. Please solve it. It's a very simple question. Do it. Yeah, test practice. Go to test fresher, log in, put the batch code BAP1, put the batch code as BAP1, BAP1, okay? And in that, go to quizzes. You can go to quizzes. And in quizzes, you have one more option in the drop down, practice paper. Click on practice paper and start. There's a sixth question. Sixth question I want you to solve. Okay, fifth question. Refresh the page. You will get it. Refresh the page, you will get it. See the integer array question. Solve this question. Hey, everyone got the question, man. See, it is there on my screen. No, why do you think I have a separate login? Even I have the same login. The question. See, it is there. Not inside the quiz. Oh my God, you guys are dumb. I'm showing here. Look at the screen, man. Quizzes. Practice paper. Click on practice paper. If you click on practice paper, you will get. Okay. In practice paper, you will get the last question. Okay, take the question and do it in Edit Plus. You can see the question in my screen, right? Do it in Edit Plus. Make it fast. everyone? Okay. So step one, import java.util.scan. Okay. Next, create a class. Inside this, public static void main string args. Right? Yeah. So here what I need to do? Step two, create scanner. How do I do that? Scanner yes equal to new scanner. System dot in. Next, what I need to do? Step three, create and store data in array. Right? So integer array a equals to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. Right? Good. Next, what I need to do? Next, what I need to do? Read key from the user. Right? Read key from the user. How do I read key from the user? Int key equal to yes dot next int. Yes dot next int. So I have successfully read key. Next, what I need to do? This is step 4. Step 4. Okay, next. Step 5. Come on, what is that I need to do? Create. Okay. Create flag variable. Right? So here, what is the flag variable that we are creating? Boolean found. Okay, I'm assuming the data is not present. Therefore, false. Assume data key not found. Key not found. I'm assuming key not found. Easy. Now I should start the logic. Step 6. What is step 6? Start the logic. Okay. So what is our logic now? Tell me. For loop, right? Int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length, I plus plus, right? End of for. Okay, you tell me what am I supposed to do here? I need to check if key is equal to a of I. I need to check, right? Right? Yes. How do I check this? Yeah. If this is matching, if this is matching now, come on, tell me if this is matching, what should I do? What should I do? Print, print found message. Print found message. How do I do that? System dot out dot println. I will just say found. Got it? After that, what is that I need to do? Update flag variable. Update flag variable. Okay. Okay. Update flag variable. Again, who's telling else? I will murder you, Chandru. ರಾತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಾಮನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸೀತಾ ಯಾರು ರಾಮ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. I should update flag variable. What is that update I need to say? Found equals to false. Found equals to false or found equals to true? Found equals to true. I need to update. Next, after updating, what I should do? Should I continue? No. I should stop the loop. I should stop the loop. How do I stop the loop? I'll just say break. I don't want to continue further, so I will say break. Easy. A flag variable is a variable which is used for decision making. Okay, in programming language, when I say a flag variable, it is a variable which is used for decision making. A variable which is used for decision making, we call it as a flag variable. It's a programming terminology. Okay, yeah. The main purpose, what is the purpose of found variable? For decision making. That's all. Okay. Yes. End of if, end of for. Now I should come out of for loop. I should come out of for loop. Here I will put if. Here I will put if. What is that statement? If the flag variable found, in this, if I say it is false, if the data inside the flag variable is false, it means key is not found. So now I will say system dot out dot println. Here I will say key is not found, or I will just say not found. Understood now? End of main, and this is end of class. Okay, is it simplified now? Did you understand this program? See, this is how you should write a program neatly. Okay, perfect. Now have 20. Yes, let me say 20. Check program. Found. I'm getting the message. I'm getting the message as found. Easy. Understood this? Yes. So now let me say some other data like 60. Do you have 60 in the array? Do you have 60 in the array? No. So let me say check program. See, I'm getting not found. Easy. I'm getting not found. I hope you all understood. I hope everyone understood this program. Yes. Any more confusions you have? Did you all understand this? Okay. Good. Now, okay. Let's move on. Let's move on to the next one. Please practice. Please practice. Please practice. Okay. Okay. You should practice a lot. Okay. Whenever you need decision, you should you print a not found message every time? Should you print a not found message every time? No, right? So now I should take a decision. When should I print a not found? I should print this message not found only when this condition was never true. That means the code did not go inside even once. If the code does not go inside even once, that means this condition was never true. If this condition was never true, only then I should execute. So how do you take the decision? That is why I am using one extra variable. Like this, you should understand. Okay. Fine. Perfect. Okay, now everyone, there is one active quiz now. I have updated one question. You can go to active quizzes. Move on to the next question. what I realized is you need more practice in loops. You guys are very, very bad at loops and decision making statements. Teaching algorithms for you doesn't make sense when you still not strong in loops and decision statements. So you need more practice. So we'll sit and solve. We'll sit and given a question now. Go to a quiz. I want you to start this. There is one question. Even the test cases will work for this. Don't worry. Even the test cases up. Come on, take up this test and solve it now. See, students, I've already told you Asutosh and I cannot help you right now. There could be some reason. I'm not sure about it. You take up the test in your computer. Okay. Okay. Come on, take up this test now, quickly. Create an integer array of 7 elements, accept the values from the user, and print square of all the elements. Print square of all the elements. Come on, do this, everyone. Take down this question. Take a screenshot of this question, everyone. Seven elements. Hey, look at the question. That is sample input. Look at the question. Question says 7 elements. Question says 7 elements. Do it for 7 elements. It's okay. Forget sample, man. Ayo, that is just showing how output should look. If input is like this, how output should be, it is showing. That's all. Okay. Don't forget. Just look. See, if input is 1, output should be 1. 2, 2 square is 4. 3, 3 square is 9. 4, 4 square is 16. 5, 5 square is 25. It's just showing you sample. But the given question is for 7 elements. So do it for 7. You people act as if you are from first standard, second standard. You don't look like engineering students. Are you all really engineering students? Huh? Come on, do it, do it. Hey, who's that intelligent students, man? Without writing the program you're submitting, and only 700 people have logged in. What about others? I want everyone to log in. Hey, what is that upload program? You just click on finish. You type the program here. Oh God. Like small kids, I should keep your hand straight and teach you. Type here. Once done, click on finish. How will you pass hacker earth, hacker rank papers, man? Co-cubes papers and all if you're like this? After guiding, this is fifth day I'm guiding this. Seriously, I don't know. None of you test cases passed. Why is that? No one has written the program correctly. I have told again and again and again and again. You want me to tell it again? I will tell it. Do it for 7 elements, not for 5 elements. You sample look here. I will do it and show. Import java dot util dot scanner. Okay. Class, all the test cases should pass. Only then your program now test cases will work. I want you to pass the test cases. Okay. Class P1 public static void main string args. Okay. First create an array of 7 elements, size 7, right? Create array of size 7. So integer array a equals to new of size 7. Got it? Yes. Now you need to read the data from the user. Read data from the user. How do you read data from the user? For int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length, right? I plus plus. Now here tell me what I need to do. I just have to say a of equal to observe everyone, observe the code first neatly. I'm solving one for you. I'm solving one for you. Observe a of I equals to s dot next int. End of for done, right? Okay. Now what you need to do? Print square 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 of all the elements. Print square of all the elements. How do you do that? Again, for int I equal to 0, I less than a of a dot length. Okay, I plus plus. So here again, what is that I will do? System dot out dot println. Okay, a of I Can I simply do this? That's all. This is my program. Okay. Once it is done, you can just click on execute test cases. Okay, I have a compile time error. Okay, I am not create a scanner class only. Okay. Scanner yes equals to new scanner system.in. Okay, system.in. Now it will work. Okay, execute test case. See, 2 of 2 test cases passed. You should get it like this. Got it? Yes, your test cases should pass. Your test cases should pass, only then you will get the score. Got it? If you want to check the program, you can check it over here. See, you want to check the program, you can check it over here. 1, okay, plus 7 inputs, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I've given 7 inputs. Now I'll say check program. See output. 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square is 36, and 7 square is 49. Am I getting the expected result? Yes. Got it? Yeah. Okay. So your test cases must pass. Your test cases will work correctly now. Good. For people whose test cases is also working, very good. This is the program. Try it. Try it. Try this program neatly. I'll give one more question. Don't worry. First, do this. Everyone, do this. I will give a break for sit and solve this, no? Is it done? Perfect. Okay, guys. We'll solve like this. We'll solve like this with more programs, little more challenging programs with test cases. I think, see, now we are getting test case. There is marks also allocated. Okay. You will get 5 marks. You will get 5 marks for a test. Okay. If your test case is solved properly, you will get 5 marks. Test case is not, you will get 0 marks. Okay. Done. Okay. Fine. Now take a break. Take a break. Let's resume at 9:15. Let's resume at 9:15. Take a break, have your dinner. Let's resume at 9:15. Come on, guys. Bye bye. Take a break and come back, guys. Take a break and come back. For students who still facing login issues, give us some time. I'm sorry. Students having login issues, give us some time. I'm sorry. We are working on that. It will be fixed. Is everyone back? Okay. So I have uploaded one more question. Okay. In the quiz, 2 minutes it will get activated. By 9:20 it will get activated. Okay, 9:20 it will be activated. Very much similar to the previous program. Ashish, that concept will deal separately, not now. Okay, Ashish, why string array? You should know command line arguments for that. Okay, yeah. Another minute left for 9:20. Okay. Done. Quizzes, not practice. You can go to active quizzes. Yeah. Guys, go to active quiz. Go to active quiz, array logical program 2. Array logical program 2. Okay, please take up the question array logical program 2. Very much similar to the previous one. Yeah, test is uploaded. I have uploaded the test. Go check it now. Okay. See, create an integer array of 4 elements, accept the values from the user, and print the cube of all elements. Print the cube of all elements. Same like previous question. Very much similar like previous question. Come on, do this, everyone. Take up at least this. I want everyone to clear it with 5 marks. Everyone should pass this test, okay? I want everyone to pass this test. Come on, take up the test. Type the program correctly. You will not get any error or exception. It will work. Sairaj Neelam, good. Test case is passed. Deepak Kumar, test case passed, good. Sachin, good. Girish, good. What about others, huh? Good, good, good. There's a lot of improvement, but I want everyone. Come on, I want everyone. Currently, I can see only 25 to 30%. Yes, do it, do it, do it. Take your time, do it. Don't worry, do it. Yeah, score is one, correct. Pooja, if you get 0 of 2 means test case is not passed. Your test case is not passed. That means your program is not working correctly for the different test cases. It should work correctly for all the test cases. Okay, Akanksha, that's fine. If test case is not passed, you will get 0, you will not get 1. Good. Don't worry, the points allocated is 1 only for this question. Over? Good. So let me type the program. Look here. I'll do it again. Okay. Look here. Import java.util.scanner. Okay. Class A1 public static void main string args. Okay, scanner yes equal to new scanner system.in. Got it? Yeah. Now I'll create int array a equals to new int array of size 4. Now I need to, what is next? Read data from the user. read data from the user. Okay, how do I read data from the user? For int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length I plus plus. Got it? Good. Now tell me what is that I need to do? A of I equals to s dot next int. A of I equals to s dot next int. It should work only 4 times. Because my array size is 4, this loop should work only 4 times. Now, yeah, generate cube and print. How do I do that? For int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length I plus plus. What is that I need to do? System dot out dot println a of I into a of I into a of I. Got it? That's all. This is my program. Got it? Yes. So let me check the program once. 1, 2, 4. Let me check program. I have an error. Import java.util.scanner. What is the error? Import java. Oh, spelling mistake. Okay. Done. Here also I have one more error. Println. Okay. Fine. Now let me check program. Okay, see, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64. Got it? It is successful. Now check the test case. How do I check the test case? Execute test case. See here, test cases passed. 2 of 2 test cases passed. Like this, I should get 2 of 2 test cases passed. I do it again, execute test case. 2 of 2 test cases passed. Okay, if you write the program correctly, even test cases will be passed, or else your test cases doesn't pass. Understood? Yeah. Now click on finish. After everything, click on finish. You can look results. See here. Now it will say pass. Okay. Now it is showing pass. Got it? Yeah. So my score is 1. Understood, guys? If you click, you will get the answer. Look, what is the answer that you have written? Everything will be in the results section. Okay? Anyways, got it? Everyone did? Did you all do this? If you're getting failed, that means your test case not passing. If you're getting failed means test case not passing. Write the program correctly. You can try 4 times. Maximum you can try 4 times. Got it? Check your program. Done? Shall we move to the next question? Do you have any doubts? Yeah. Okay, guys, question is refresh and you can take down the next question. Take down the next question, guys. Create an integer array of 5 elements, accept the values from the user, and print the maximum. So you need to find the maximum. You need to find the maximum data present inside the array. You need to print the maximum data present inside the array. Do it. If the code is correct, it will never show error, guys. You have done some mistake, please go through it, okay? Okay, will you try this or you want me to explain the logic? Okay, take 10 minutes, do it, have a first attempt. If you're not able to do, I will explain it. Yeah, later I will explain it. First, you try it. Good, try it, try it, try it, try it, try it. I'll be very happy. Try. What Paritra Patnaik? What is the meaning of maximum? Maximum means the highest number, highest value. Yes. highest value. Maximum is highest value. How many of you want me to help the logic? Explain the logic. Type as logic. Type as logic. If you want logic, type as logic. Let me see how many want. Whoa. So many guys waiting for logic. Okay. Fine. Others who are confident, I'm quite happy. You can just listen to me once, nothing will happen. Okay, now stop typing. Stop typing. I will explain. Okay, thank you. Stop typing. I will explain. Listen. Okay, create an integer array of 5 elements, accept the values from the user and print the maximum value. Okay. Anyways, let us do this. Okay, let me go to a new page, add page. Okay, page 2, page 2. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Page 2. Okay, yeah, just a second. Yes. Okay, so here, what is the question? To find maximum in an array. Maximum element in the array. This is the question, right? Yes. So how do I write the logic for this? What is the logic for this? Very easy, guys. The logic is very easy. I'll just explain this carefully. Just observe now, okay? This is irritating. Huh? Okay, fine. So now, guys, let me assume that I have an array, okay? Array, and let me say this array size is 4 for time being. Okay, let me say the array size is 4 for time being. Okay, 1 2 3. So array size is 4. 0 1 2 3 as the index. Let me assume the address is 0x1. Let us consider there is one array reference variable a which is holding the address of the array object. Holding the address of the array object. I have data 10, 5, 20, and 30. Okay, this is the data what I have. So I need to check whether, yeah, no need, no two for loops, one loop is enough. One loop is enough. Observe the logic. So I need to find the maximum element inside the array. So what is that I need to do is I will create one extra variable. I will create one extra variable. Okay. I will consider this variable. I will consider this container to store the maximum value. This is a container which is used to store the maximum value. Okay. But currently, do you know which data is the maximum in the array? No, I don't know. So what I will do, I will take the first element of the array. What I will do, I will take the first element of the array and copy it to the container. I will take the first element of the array and copy it to the container. Got it? So currently what is there here? Yes, currently first element of the array is there inside the variable. Step 1, where I am assuming. What am I doing? Assuming the first element is the maximum value. I am assuming the first element as the maximum value. Understood? Okay. Now what is next? What should I do? Very simple. Next is my step 2. Step 2 is you need to verify. You need to verify. You need to verify whether to compare, you have to compare this data there inside the maximum with all the elements present inside the array, with all the remaining elements present inside the array. Got it? Yeah, you need to compare. Yeah, data there inside maximum with all the elements present inside the array. Got it, guys? Understood? Yes. You need to compare the data present inside max with all the remaining elements present inside the array. Starting from where? Starting from the second element. Starting from the second element. So what is my comparison? I have to check whether if my data present inside the variable max, is it really, is it really greater than, got it? Now you need to check whether it is really greater than or smaller. Got it? Yes, if it is greater, I have to do nothing. So I will check whether my data present inside max, is it smaller? Is it smaller than the next element? Smaller than the next element, that is nothing but a of 1. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? Did you understand here? Yes. So now tell me here 10. What is there inside max? What is there inside max? 10. Less than. What is a of 1? What is a of 1? 5. A of 1 is 5. Is 10 less than 5? Is 10 less than 5? False. So if it is false, what should I do? If it is false, what should I do? Nothing. My assumption is correct. My assumption is correct. I should go to the next number. I should go to the next number. Agree? If it is false, what I should do? Nothing. Go to the next number. So I will again check if max is lesser than a of 2. Go to the next number. Got it? So what is there inside the variable max? What is there inside the variable max? 10. Less than. What is there inside a of 2? What is there inside a of 2? Come on, tell me. 20. So now tell me, is 10 less than 20? Is 10 less than 20? Yes, true. So when the condition is true, what do you mean by that? My assumption is wrong. If the condition is true, what do you mean by that? My assumption is wrong. So now what I should do? Okay, pa, my assumption was wrong. Let me change it. Max is equal to a of 2. Max is equal to a of 2. Understood? So now max is modified. Now max is not 10. What is max now? Max becomes 20. Max becomes 20. Understood? Should I stop this? No, 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 no. I should not stop like this. I should continue till the last. I should continue till the last. So I should again move forward. I should again move forward. Again, I should check if max is less than a of 3. Is max is less than a of 3. Are you understanding, guys? Yes. Now tell me what is there inside max? What is there inside max, everyone? 20. So substitute. Is 20 less than a of 3? What is a of 30? Right? A of 3 is 30. So now tell me, is 20 less than 30? 20. Yes, 20 is less than 30. True. So you tell me when it is true, what should I do? Change the max. You have to reinitialize max. You should update max. So what is that? I will say max equal to a of 3. Got it? And move to the next number. What is my next number? 4. Do you have index 4? Do you have index 4 here? No. So what should I do? I should stop. So when I reach length, I should stop. Got it? Did you understand the logic? Yes? So now tell me what is the algorithm, guys? What is the algorithm for this? Quickly tell me what is the algorithm? Did you all understand this? Yeah, I can summarize this to an algorithm, right? Yeah. So what is the algorithm here? Step 1, assume assume first element first element as maximum. Assume first element as maximum. What is my step 1? Assume first element as maximum. How do I do that? Int max equals to array of 0, array address of 0. Agree? Good. What is my step 2? Guys, tell me what is step 2? Everyone, what is step 2? Can you tell me what is step 2? Yes. So step 2 is verify. Step 2 is verify. From where? From, how do I verify? By comparing max from second element, second element up to last element, up to last element. Do you agree? Up to last element. From I equals to 1 up to length minus 1. Length minus 1. From I equals to 1 up to length minus 1. What is that I need to do? If max is less than a of I. If max is less than a of I, if it is true, there are two possibilities. What are those two possibilities? One is true, the other one is false, right? So if update max, Guys, guys, am I audible? Am I audible? Yeah, is my screen visible? Is my screen visible? Yes, okay. Get back. Condition is satisfied, right? If the condition is satisfied, tell me what should I do? That is, if the condition is true, update max, update max, right? Then increase I, increase I. Do you agree? If my condition is true, update max, increase I. If my condition is false, should I update max? Should I update max? No, I don't have to update max. I just have to increase I. That's all. Move to the next number. I just have to increase I, move to the next number. This is the algorithm. Did you understand the algorithm to find the first maximum? This is the algorithm to obtain the first maximum. Did you understand? Any confusions here? So you just have two simple steps. What is the first step? Yeah. The first step is assume first element as maximum. Ajay, I've written the algorithm neatly. Understand. Assume first element as maximum. First, I'm doing an assumption. After doing assumption, I need to compare the maximum with all the elements, all the remaining elements, all the remaining elements, that is from the second element up to the last element. Okay? Yes. Done? Okay. So, what is that I'm checking? I'm checking if the data present inside the variable max, that is my assumed data, if my assumed data is smaller than the next data, if my assumed data is smaller than the next data, I repeat, if my assumed data is smaller than the next data, what is that I need to do? I need to modify, update max number. Got it? If this condition is false, if this condition is false, what do you mean by that? My assumed number max is, my assumed number max is correct. My assumption is correct, so I don't have to modify max. I just have to go to the next number. I just have to go to the next number. Got it? How I give I is equals to 1? Are you sleeping? I told you should come. Yeah, you should compare from which element? Second element. What is the index of the second element? What is the index of the second element? 1, right? So you should start I from where? You should start I from where? I think you guys are bloody sleeping when I'm explaining. So clearly, diagrammatically, I'm showing. Like this, even in YouTube. Even then, I think you come 5 minutes, you will go 5 minutes. Right? That is the problem. So first number, I'm copying it into max. I need to compare max with the remaining number. From where? From 1. Up to where? Till the last element. Got it? This is the logic. Easy, simple logic. Got it? Okay. Now let us solve this program. Okay, I will solve this program. Look here now. Active quizzes. Start. What is the first thing? Yes, come on, tell me. Import scanner class. Import java.util.scanner. Okay, next class A1. Okay, public static void main string args. Integer array, new integer array of size 5. Okay, now what is that I need to do? Read the data from the user. So how do I read the data from the user? For int I equal to 0, I less than a dot length. Got it? Then I plus plus. Right? I plus plus. Good. Next, here what is that I need to do? A of I equals to s dot next int. A of I equals to s dot next int. Okay, but I did not create scanner object. So let's create scanner s equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay. So array is ready. Now we should write logic. Logic to find maximum. Logic to find what? Maximum. Good. What is the logic to find maximum? How do I do it? Come on. Step one. What is step one? We know. Assume first element as maximum. Assume first element as maximum. Right? So how do I do that? Int max equal to a of 0. Verify. How do I verify? Compare max from second element up to element. Okay. How do I do that? For int, I should start from where? I equals to 1. I should start I equals to 1. Got it? I equals to 1. Okay, up to where? I less than a dot length. Very good. After that, what? I plus plus. Okay, so here what is that I need to do now? Come on, tell me. I just check if max is less than a of I. If max is less than a of I, if this condition is true, tell me what I should do. I will just say max equal to a of I. You need to update, no? That's all. So this is completed. Finally, this is the end of for. I will come out. I will say system dot out dot println. What is that to print? Got it? Is that clear, guys? Okay. So now let us check the program first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My output should be 5. Yes, my output is correct. Got it? So it's working correctly. So now let me execute test cases. Also working correctly. Test case is also working correctly. That means the logic and the program what I have written is 100% correct. Got it? So this is the program. Understood now? Understood the logic? Understood how to do it? Amol, what will you do if array size is 100, man? What will you do if the array size is 100? Will you write 100 times like that? Okay. Any confusions? How many times you want me to explain the logic? Huh? What do you guys do when I'm explaining? I'm sorry, I will not explain. Huh? So slowly, patiently, I've explained it. I think you guys don't focus when I'm explaining the logic. I have explained it, then I have done the algorithm. Third time I'm writing program. Okay, that's all. Done. Any confusions here? If you have any doubt, I will. You can ask me. Don't tell me repeat again. Okay, I don't want to repeat again. That is what I tell. Okay, when I start explaining the code, sit and listen to the class. I think you all will turn on your screen. I think this programming, like this sessions, you guys are not utilizing it properly. It's better. I will ask Girisa to stop this program. You focus. You go to branch. You sit and learn there only. This is not useful for you. You guys are not using it properly. It's simply waste of my time. Okay, good, good. Let's move on. Let's move on now. Okay, I'll focus on the people who are listening to me at least. Come on, let's move on. Okay, you understood? So if you know how to do maximum, I think you guys can also find out minimum, right? If you guys know how to do it for maximum, you can do it for minimum also, right? Will you do it? Shall I prepare the question for minimum? Shall I prepare the question for minimum? Yes, okay. Just give me 2 minutes. I will prepare the question for minimum. You can take up the quiz. At least this one too. Test. I will add the question paper. Give me a minute. Okay. Just a minute. I will add it. I've given attempts. I have also given multiple attempts. First time not correct. At least second time try it correctly. Done. Okay. Finish, finish. Almost done, almost done. I'm just typing the question. Give me a minute. Minimum, right? Yes. Yeah, minimum. Done. Question added. Yes. Go to the quizzes, guys. Go to the active quizzes. Go to the active quizzes. You have array logical program 4. Come on, take up. Refresh. Refresh. Come on. Yeah, come on, do it. Do this, do this, do this. Almost same, no? It's almost the same. Okay. So students who are confident, please type the code, do it. One last time for people who said repeat. One last time I will explain. Bloody listen. This time classes. Whoever puts a message, sir, repeat, sir, I will kill you this time, okay? Yeah. So listen carefully. I'm gonna explain. Others, you take up the test. Others take up the test. Okay. Look here now. Just a second. Okay. For the one last time, I'm explaining focus. Okay. Assume this is my data where I have 20, 3, 30. Okay. Got it? 0x1, where the address is there inside the variable A. 0x1. Focus. Okay, let us have index 0, 1, 2, 3. So what is that I need to do? What is that I need to do? People, listen. Whoever don't know, didn't understand, listen. Okay, focus now. I should take one extra variable called as max. I should take an extra variable called as max. Okay, and I should copy the first data. Okay, first data I should copy to this variable. So, oh, sorry, and we are doing minimum, right? Yeah, we are doing minimum. Okay. So I will take a variable called as minimum. I will take a variable called as minimum. I'm storing inside this variable minimum. Okay, done. So first data I've successfully stored. So this is assumption step. What step is this? Assumption step. Okay. So I am assuming that the data present inside the container is the smallest data. The assumption. This is not the fact. It is the assumption. Did you understand this, people? Whoever asked me to repeat, respond please. You should respond now, or else I'll stop explaining. Okay, good, good. Okay, but is my assumption, do you think your assumption will be always correct? Do you think your assumption will be always correct? No, assumption may not be correct. So, what is my next step? I need to verify. I need to verify, right? I need to verify. Okay, how do I verify? I need to verify by comparing the assumed data. I need to verify by comparing the assumed data with the remaining elements. With the remaining elements. So when I say remaining elements, it is from, yes, the second element, third element, and the fourth element. Are you understanding? Okay, perfect. So now, guys, tell me, how do I do this comparison? Yes. So I need to compare minimum with the remaining elements. So when I compare with the remaining elements, I need to check whether if the data present inside this variable, is it really small? If it is really small. If it is not small, I need to change it. If it is small, I don't have to change it. I just have to move to the next number. That's all. If it is small, okay. If it is not small, change it. That's all. How do I do that? If I need to take minimum, compare this, check whether if the data present inside minimum, is it greater? If it is larger than the second number, larger than the second number, that is nothing but a of 1. So now tell me, what is there inside minimum? 20. Greater than 30. Is this condition okay? Greater than 3. Is this condition true? Yes, it is true. I should modify. I should modify. Okay, now I will say 3 is the smallest number, not mean. So I will change this to 3. I will change this to 3. I will modify. So when should you modify? Whenever this condition is true, I should modify. I will say min is equal to a of 1. Got it? Like this I have to do. That's now I should move to the next number. I should move to the next number. Got it? So what is my next number again? Now tell me if min is greater than a of 2. A of 2. Now tell me what is the next number? Than 30. Is 3 greater than 30? False. Got it? Since the condition is false, what should I do? Should I modify min? Should I modify min? No. I should not modify min. Then what should I do? I should just go to the next number. I should go to the next number. Got it? So now what is that I need to do again? Repeat. If min is greater than a of 3. Got it? So what is there inside min 3? What is there inside a of 3? Inside a of 3 I have 2. So is 3 greater than 2? True. So if it is true, what should I do? Modify. Min is equals to a of 3. So now what will happen? 3 is replaced with 2. Do you have a next number? No. So I should stop. So finally, where is your result? My result is inside the variable min. Do you think 2 is the smallest number? Yes. That's all. This is how you do it. Understood now? Did you understand the logic at least now? Good. That's all. Over? Perfect. Okay. Have you guys, everyone, written the program? Okay. Good. So now what I will do, I'll create one last question paper with 5 programs. I'll create one last question paper for today with 5 programs. Okay. You will have time till tomorrow evening 7 o'clock. I want you to finish it up before tomorrow 7 o'clock. Okay. Done? Perfect. So just give me a second. I will prepare your question paper. Okay, I'll just prepare the question paper. Okay. Yeah. That's all. The class is completed. I will prepare the question paper. Okay. And it will be updated. You will have time till tomorrow. You will have time till, yeah, tomorrow. I want you to sit and solve. Okay. If you have any doubts, take the help of the trainers in the branch, or you can take the help of Google. You can take anyone's help and sit and learn those programs. Okay? Okay, guys. Bye bye. Good night. I will upload the question right now. I will create the quiz right now. Okay? Test cases will work. You have done some mistake. Please check, Suraj. Tomorrow, not today. Oh shit, man. 21st, 12 a.m. is today only, no? Don't start, guys. Wait. I will modify it. Yeah, I've increased the time. Don't worry. Even after 12 a.m., it will work. I've done it. Automatically, it will get updated after 12 a.m. Don't worry. Okay? Okay, guys. Bye bye. Thank you. Good night.